Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have decided to cut my own hair from the front. So I was thinking to have curtain bangs, and as you can see I have taken front half section and I'm parting it. You can see I'm taking it from the left because we only have to work on our front part, so we'll tie from the back and focus on the front part. We will take little sections in front, and firstly tie the hair from the back and make a ponytail. Try to focus on the steps, because if you will follow the exact steps, then I'm sure that you're gonna get the real results. As you can see, I have really long layer from the fronts and I was actually really bored of the same hairstyle. So from the long time I really wanted to have curtain bangs, and you can see I'm making a small V from the front by taking a small section and putting these hair backside. Same thing I will do on the left. I'll try to make a V. As you can see, one V and another V I'm making right now. And now I'll keep these hair at the back. It's been like 6 months I had my last haircut. Maybe in December I had my last haircut on my cousin's wedding. And now in US the haircuts are really expensive, so I decided to cut my own hair. While I was cutting, I decided to make a video as well. So you can see I have taken my front hair carefully by making a V, and I'm very carefully, slowly doing my thing because we cannot take risk on hair. So see, keep these hairs straight in front of you, and you can decide your own length, how much length you want of your curtain bangs. I decided to take the mid length because I don't want it too short, neither I want it too long, because I already had long hair before, so I needed some change. As you can see, I'm doing it very carefully. I'm not sure how it will look on you guys because it also matters according to the face shape. My face is long and everybody will look different after this haircut. But spending too much money on curtain bangs, so I decided to follow on YouTube because I know the steps are really simple. But it's just a hype that you need to go to salon and do that. I hope I'll get the desired results that I'm expecting. At this moment I'm looking really weird to myself. I'm thinking whether I'll get the results or not. I don't want to get disappointed, but it's okay. Maybe after a blow dry the proper look will come, because these kind of bangs do need blow dry, so do not keep your hair exactly the same after the cut. Make sure whenever you style it you should use hair dryer to give a blowout, which is a very simple blowout if you'll follow the steps. As you can see, I've taken some more hair and I'm trying to cut it slantly. You can see how I'm keeping my scissors, the position, and you can see so much hair has been cutted. Now I'm taking more hair. So slowly and gradually in 3 steps I've taken hair, and now I'll cut it more slant. You can see the position of my scissors. Sometimes change is necessary because to look young and to look fresh, because before I wasn't looking really fresh. I used to look tired and all. But after this haircut, I'll show you guys the final results. I have to make sure that both the sides are same in size, because then my bangs should look equal after the blowout. After this haircut, I look a little fresh, even I'm not fresh from inside, but still looks fresh. A little bit of trim, the way I'm doing. Make sure you do the same way. It's actually fun to try different things and experience by yourself. Otherwise, it's really hard for a girl to take a risk on hair. I do remember I paid a handsome amount of money to my hairdresser before. Like 3 years back, I had the same curtain bangs and she did not give the desired results. I'm not fast forwarding the video because I wanted to make sure that you can see the whole process, because I don't want you guys to get confused. You can see whatever I'm doing. From one side I already trimmed the hair, now the other bang I trimmed. Now I'm just setting and checking the size and whether it is equal or not. I think it's equal now. Funny part is I forgot to wear something on my shirt and it's full of hair now. I'll show you. See what happened to my shirt. Anyway, I'll do it later. So I'm using this. This is Wow Pop and Lock High Gloss Finish Frizz Control, or it gives shine to your hair. But because it was a front side, so that's why I took this risk. Otherwise, I'm very possessive about my hair. It's really important to learn the basics of blow dry. Simple steps are necessary for any hairstyle, and blow dry gives you a fresh look and you look maintained, and it's important to look ready, maintained for a girl. Blow dry is a little bit tiring, but it's worth the wait. It is tough for the beginners, but once you are addicted to it, you won't like your hair without it. I look so funny. But just wait and see. The moment I'll style it, it will look really different. Yes. The moment I show you the final results, and if you think this video is useful for you, so guys, please do hit the like button, comment your feedback, and do subscribe my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Your feedback is something that motivates me to do more. And this is the first time I'm trying the haircut on myself. I hope you like it. And I think I loved it on myself because I look really different and I wanted some change. So you can see after this blowout, it's looking really good. Please do hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and give your feedback.